Thank you. Hi, Deep. It's a pleasure to host this session jointly with you. How are you?
I am doing good. Thank you very much. How
Thanks.
about you? How's it going?
Doing good, surviving through the pandemic. And a very warm welcome to our esteemed customers who have taken the time to join us today. It will be our sincere endeavor to give you the best possible return on your investment for your valuable time with us. Deep, maybe we should start off by introducing ourselves. Let me go first. My name is Mahesh Joshi. I'm more commonly known as MJ within the professional circles. I'm part of the Cloud Insight and Strategy Group here at Oracle. Based out of Singapore, I work quite closely with telcos and CSPs in the APAC region. My primary focus area as of now is to drive the strategic partnerships with the CSPs and telcos, helping them in co-creation of joint offerings which have unique value propositions for our customers. Deep, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, MJ. Hello, everyone. A warm welcome to all of you. My name is Deep Baveja, and I am a product manager for Oracle Cloud Services in Airtel Business, which is a B2B arm of Bharti Airtel. As a product manager, I am here to create the GDM strategy, stitching the backend processes, and of course, helping customers take on the cloud journey from Oracle Cloud perspective. Thank you for taking out your precious time and joining the session.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Deep.
please.
Thank you. Just to set the context, in our discussion today, we're going to capture the essence of the recently announced Airtel and Oracle strategic partnership. We would very briefly cover what it is, what incremental business value it is poised to deliver to our joint customers. It may sound surprising, but Airtel and Oracle have partnered for more than 25 years, and both the organizations share common values around customer centricity, speed, innovation, technology democratization, and many more. We are taking this long standing relationship forward, and we have announced a partnership to bring Oracle Cloud Services to more than 1 million customers of Airtel in India and beyond. Under the ambit of this strategic partnership, we are aspiring to unlock significant business value for our customers, as we believe that coming together of these two renowned brands and the technology powerhouses opens avenues of collaborations across so many different domains. So we are quite excited, and we hope by the end of this session you will also be. So let's get started and dive in. To begin with, Deep, could you please share with audience an overview of Airtel business product portfolio, and how do you see this Oracle Airtel partnership enhancing it further?
Sure. So I would like to present a slide which would give a clear view of the product portfolio that we have. Let me know once you are able to see that.
Yes, we can, Deep.
Okay. So, so Airtel Business is powering the business growth in the digital world with state-of-the-art data and connectivity services, the cloud and data center services, enterprise mobility, cyber security services, IoT collaboration services, and of course, our network integration and professional services. So from all these products, which we are kind of providing services to our customers, we have around 1,200 plus global carrier partnerships, 2,000 plus enterprise and government clients. We have 1 million plus small and enterprise clients and 300 million plus strong customer base who are using one or the other services of Airtel that I just mentioned. Cloud specifically is where Airtel sees huge market potential. And as part of this business, we are handling various cloud work streams, which are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and even our edge cloud offerings. So in today's time, where IT is very important for the organizations, businesses today prefer IT solutions that support innovation and help minimizing the costs. There is now a strong public cloud adoption for every kind of application and workload. And the common triggers for this cloud adoption are like customers do not want to invest in capex. They are not looking for any hardware lock-in. Scalability is the key for them so that they can scale at any point of time during any of the business season. They also want a flexibility of pay-per-use pricing model. And of course, from security perspective, they are looking for better and enhanced security. the rapid and quicker deployments for any kind of applications that they bring on. So seeing all these cloud triggers, customers today has the inclination towards the cloud. And this is where Airtel and Oracle have joined hands to ignite India's digital potential by enabling enterprises to embark on their digital transformation journey. This partnership embodies a 360-degree engagement wherein all critical infra of the customers will be deployed on Oracle Cloud infrastructure, providing highest reliability along with Airtel's robust and resilient high-speed network. And in line to that, Airtel has become now a modernized Oracle Partner Network member and has created or I have enrolled for a cloud sale track, service tracks, and even the hardware and license track. These tracks and expertise actually enables Airtel to sell Oracle Cloud services, the hardware appliances, the software licenses, along with the value-added Airtel migration and managed services. I mean, that's the entire portfolio of Airtel, and I have specifically gotten into the cloud piece. Now, while briefing on the Oracle Cloud services, I will be taking a pause here, and I would request MJ to enlighten us and share a brief overview of Oracle Cloud services.
Sure, Deep. Sure. Thanks a lot. If I may request, let's build the slide up because I would definitely need a visual aid for this. Yep. So Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI services, as we call them, offers, as you can see, a comprehensive portfolio of cloud services, and it supports running all of our customers' IT requirements in cloud, be it Oracle SaaS applications, the applications our customers may want to migrate to the cloud, or building cloud native applications, as well as the applications that our ISP partners are running on OCI. All of these technologies are consistently available in all our cloud regions. We also give the flexibility of having hybrid cloud configurations for our customers to wherever they need them. Now, in terms of services specifically, the cloud infrastructure capabilities include compute, but not only for virtual machines, also bare metal, GPUs, containers, Kubernetes, storage, and many more. And built upon this robust foundation are a wide range of services for data and AI, including data science, relational and non-relational databases, applications, and analytics capabilities. Likewise, for developer communities, services include likes of low-code, including widely adopted Apex low-code development platform, as well as the tools for application development and APIs. By the way, Oracle was one of the first hyperscaler vendors to widely adopt Terraform for infrastructure as a code. Likewise, for government and governance and administration capabilities, the key services that we include are identity management and various services for cloud security and observability for the entire stack of infrastructure and applications. Moving on, if you can move to the next slide, please.
Yes.
Oracle has been heavily investing in cloud. We recently announced that we are expanding our global cloud footprint to meet the triple-digit growth we have been seeing. As we speak, Oracle Cloud is available globally from 33 regions, and we are rapidly building more regions with about 11 new regions planned across Europe, the Middle East, Asia Pacific, and Latin America in the next 1 year. In India itself, we have been clocking double-digit growth for the last 4 to 5 years. Both our cloud regions, which are live in the country, are almost running at the peak capacity. And we do realize that India is poised to strengthen its position as a digital superpower in the next decade. At Oracle, we are quite excited and committed to help Indian businesses to get there. And for that, we are investing further in India by expanding our cloud region's capacity, and we are doing it with Airtel, by the way. And this is a huge testimony of our important relationship that we have with Airtel and the importance that we believe in the growth story of India. The expanded region will enable more customers to leverage Oracle next generation cloud infrastructure services and relying on underpinning Airtel business network capabilities to accelerate the business growth. The expanded region, which will be available for business from early 2022, reflects our continued commitment to Indian economy and our customers across different industries who have been counting on Airtel to keep their businesses up and running so that they can focus on their core capabilities. Also, as a part of our commitment to the society, we are committed to power all our cloud regions with 100% renewable energy by 2025. We, as we are seeing a strong public cloud adoption across industry verticals, can you share how can Airtel Business help customers in their cloud adoption journey so that customers can rest assured about their infrastructure and focus on their core business?
Sure, sure. So, as part of Oracle Cloud, Airtel and Oracle collaboration, Airtel Business will sell, service, and market Oracle Cloud solutions to its 1 million plus enterprise base that includes large corporations, the startups, SMEs, and even the government entities. I mean, this is across the private and public sectors. And these are with value-added migration and managed services along with Airtel connectivity strength. Now, as part of this digital transformation journey, Airtel will provide consulting services to the enterprises, which is backed by Oracle Invested Center of Excellence at Airtel, taking the end-to-end solution ownership. Airtel will also help migrating customers' mission-critical workloads on the cloud and from on-premise to cloud with expert migration assistance and using Oracle automated planning and migration tools. Airtel will also provide managed services to its operational excellence team, which is available 24/7. And this team centrally manages the entire customer base. And of course, using ITIL best practices and standards, and they do all sort of management activities, be it monitoring, be it services provisioning, or cost analysis and optimization, scaling infrastructure on demand, reporting in governance, etc. So Airtel managed services are SLA based, business focused, business sensitive, and they're also focused to provide effective and optimal solution for the customers. Further, our dedicated team of service account managers will handhold customers to for any kind of service issues that customers could face, right? Now, why we think we can take our customers through this cloud adoption journey? That's because we have the skin in the game. Even before we have started doing it for customers, we have done it for ourselves. So you would be surprised to know, MJ, that Airtel has done one of the Apex largest cloud deployment in, of course, an Apex, and we have deployed over 1,000 plus servers, 14,000 plus OS instances, 3,000 plus databases, 80 petabytes plus of storage, and probably 10 petabytes plus of backups. And these are this is being used by over 300 million plus subscribers of India.
Oh.
Oracle and Airtel is also setting up a cloud center of excellence in Gurgaon, which is a dedicated team of specialists from both the organizations. These experts will enable customers to adopt the cloud, take full advantage of OCI to meet the business aspirations and goals. And this team will also help Airtel's to modernize Airtel internal workloads as well. The COE will work as a center of innovation who will co-innovate, and they will build unique cloud solutions to cater to industry-leading use cases across 5G, cloud, IoT, smart cities, and many more. Right? So customers with Airtel, they can look forward to an integrated offering of Airtel providing the best of cloud with scalable, secure, and seamless experience. That is what we commit for our customers.
Great.
Now, yeah. So as I spoke about Airtel helping customers in their cloud adoption journey, but at the same time, customer decision of selecting a cloud service provider is a very important aspect. So from Oracle Cloud perspective, MJ, what are some of the key differentiating factors? Those are driving the significantly increased uptake of Oracle cloud services.
Absolutely. That's a very good question. And let me start off by sharing my screen again. So why are customers choosing OCI as one of their standard cloud infrastructure platforms? These are some of the key driving factors that I would want to share with the audience today. Firstly, it is far easier to migrate critical enterprise applications to OCI and run them better than on-premises. We have made number of investments at infrastructure layer, networking layer, compute layer, orchestration layer to make it easy for our customers to move their complex workloads onto our platform. OCI also offers all of the services that our customers, developers might need to build and run cloud native applications on cloud. OCI further simplifies the management and security with autonomous services, making it far easier to manage security, performance, and scalability. Furthermore, OCI offers most complete support of hybrid cloud strategies, including VMware environments and even bringing the cloud to your own data centers or to the edge. Our customers can use OCI solutions in public cloud, in their own data centers, or in a colo facility, anywhere in between, the location of their choice. This opens up the benefits of cloud to many more organizations and business problems. We also offer technologies to simplify the integration and data movement across multi-cloud organizations. Fifth, the built-in security. We have fundamentally different approach to security. We believe that security should always be on, that it should not be prohibitively expensive for the customers to have a bolt-on solution or a set of bolt-on solutions applied on top of core infrastructure. And we take an all-encompassing view of security to make sure that it is embedded within the overall platform as well. In addition, OCI offers the best price performance ratios. We have simplified the cloud pricing. We have developed the pricing models that result in lower, more transparent pricing for most enterprise cloud deployments. OCI offers the lowest prices than most other hyperscalers in virtually every service, and it offers better cost of ownership than on-premises deployment. Essentially, our approach to cloud is based on this underpinning idea and philosophy that the cloud should be engineered to support every application and every deployment, rather than customers requiring to re-engineer their applications to work with cloud. And we are quite excited to partner with Airtel and bring these unique differentiating capabilities to our customers jointly. Maybe at this stage, Deep, would you want to share with the audience that with this partnership that we have just announced, how do you think Airtel Business's existing product portfolio would further end up complementing the Oracle Cloud Services while addressing the customer requirements?
Sure, and well, that's a fair one. I would say that Airtel is positioned uniquely to support customer IT infrastructure requirements with the combination of Airtel connectivity services, the security services, our data center offerings, and of course, the cloud partnership that we have built. So from connectivity perspective, I would say that our connectivity portfolio is stronger than ever now, and we continue to expand storage. Customers can take advantage of Oracle Airtel Fast Connect partnership to securely access Oracle Cloud with a fully managed end-to-end solution backed by SLA commitment. They can get low latency bandwidth with Airtel last mile connectivity. They can have multi-cloud access, that is securely accessing any cloud from anywhere. And of course, the DCDR connectivity bundling, which if customer is planning to take the disaster recovery setup from Airtel-Oracle, then we can have the connectivity built in, bundled in. And so from the security perspective, I would say enterprises can leverage the best-in-class Airtel security services, which is being run by largest AI-driven SOC in APEC, ensuring security at every layer, be it the web, be it the network, or the data, or user layer, or even the brand layer. So at all layers, we can provide the security services for our customers. And we have also created deep expertise in-house through strategic partnerships with global security OEMs. Now, additionally, if we talk about the regulated industries in India, these are banking and financial services, health and insurance, the government entities, all these are legally obligated to host applications in either in the data centers or on premises. So such customers can take advantage of Nextra by Airtel, which is the data center business arm of Airtel business. It operates India's largest data center network of 10 hyperscaler data centers, 120 plus edge data centers, and of course, it plans to invest further 5,000 crores to expand the capacity by 3x and by 2025. So here, customers can actually use our data center services, and they can set up the Oracle Exadata Cloud at customer, or even the Oracle Dedicated Region Cloud at customer. These services brings full capabilities of Oracle Cloud, which is the public cloud, and the SaaS applications on premises, so that enterprises can reduce infrastructure and operational costs. They can upgrade the legacy infrastructure on modern cloud services. And of course, they can meet the most demanding regulatory data residency and the latency requirements, all with the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. As you also mentioned that in the recent announcement, Oracle has decided to expand its India West Mumbai region capacity with Nextra by Airtel to support the increasing demand of cloud services in India, which is again available by 2022. So this expanded region will enable more customers to leverage Oracle's next generation services and Airtel Business Network to innovate and accelerate their business growth. So the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Services, coupled with connectivity, security, our data center offerings will offer unparalleled resilience and support to our entire customer base. We are focused on that. Now, that's the proposition that Airtel brings for its customers. We would love to know, MJ, what are the propositions from Oracle that helps clients in deriving the maximum value out of their cloud investments?
Sure, Deep. First and foremost, before I start answering that question, I'm so excited listening to you. I don't think I could have done justice to our offerings the way you defined them. So it seems we're quite glued on to the propositions that Oracle brings to the market. Yep. Okay, so let's come back to the question. So when it comes to the cloud, Oracle is heavily invested in our customers' success. We offer quite a few unique economic levers to make it easier for our customers to fast track their returns on their cloud investment. I'll briefly touch upon a few of the key enablers today. With Oracle bringing the BYOL proposition, customers can apply their licenses that they currently own for their on-premise Oracle software for an equivalent and highly automated Oracle PaaS and IaaS services on Oracle Cloud. With Oracle Universal Credits, customers sign a single contract and simply pay upfront to consume any, and when I say any, I really literally mean any Oracle PaaS and IaaS services as they wish. There are absolutely no product SKU lock-ins there. Oracle also offers the most comprehensive SLAs for the cloud services. And this includes being the only cloud provider to offer performance guarantees. With Oracle Cloud Lift services, customer gets guidance from Oracle experts, the cloud engineers, on planning, architecting, prototyping, and managing the cloud migration successfully. They do it on time and on budget. As a result, customers can move their critical workloads in weeks or even days in certain cases instead of months and years. Last but not the least, the Oracle Support Rewards program, which was very recently announced, allows our customer to accelerate their cloud migration while reducing their software license support cost. Customers using Oracle Technology License Support can earn at least 25 cents for every dollar they spend on Oracle Cloud infrastructure. In some cases, we've seen customers bringing down their license support bills to all the way to zero. So those are some of the key enablers that we are bringing to the market to help our customers in maximizing the returns on their investment with Oracle Cloud. And as I can see, we have been prompted that we are towards the end of our session. Any thoughts from you, Deep, before I end up summarizing it?
I would say that I am really excited with this Oracle and Airtel partnership, and very excited to take it to our customers. And I mean, it is our pleasure when we say that we want our customers to we want to take them to the digital transformation journey, and we are very much ready for the same. Let us get into the market. Let us work with the customers, help them, enable them, and go as far as they want to.
Absolutely, Dave. And with that, we have reached the end of our allotted time. So, for the audience, just to summarize and recap, we are taking our strategic partnership between Airtel and Oracle to a whole new level. And the objective is to help the Indian businesses to fast track the digital growth. And as a part of this partnership, we will collaborate across a range of areas, including co-innovation and collaboration, as well as jointly market and offer Oracle Cloud services to over 1 million customers in the private and public sector space. We will also work on joint IT solution deployment and developments to support emerging technology growth areas spanning across multi-cloud, security, B2B customer experience, unified communication, 5G, smart cities, and many more. We're going to be setting up the Cloud Center of Excellence as we captured with a dedicated set of specialists from both organizations trained and certified on Oracle Cloud. Last but not the least, as I mentioned, we are seeing immense growth for our cloud in India. We have two regions which are running at the peak capacity, and we're going to be expanding our cloud region capacity in India jointly with Airtel. And the expanded region will be made available for businesses from early 2022. So teams at Airtel and Oracle are super excited to take these offerings to clients to help you accelerate your digital ambitions and tap into the immense potential value that these services offer. I hope today's session was useful and look forward to having continued interactions with you off the line. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your precious time in joining this session.